Welcome to Blissful Baking. Today's episode is a very special episode because we will be making my mom's secret recipe, banana chocolate chip muffins. Aren't we all excited? First, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. Next, we take a bowl and mash a banana with a fork. Once your banana is properly mashed, like my dreams, add a whisked egg. Now, when whisking an egg, make sure you beat it vigorously and thoroughly, like my father did to me after he started drinking. Now add a few splashes of milk to add some smoothness to your mixture. Now we add some brown sugar. Muffins are like life. No matter how much effort you put into it, the end result is always shitty and depressing. Now in a separate bowl, add some salt, baking soda, and flour. Now we add the wet and dry ingredients. And mix them well. And if you're feeling frisky, try adding some walnuts to give your mix that little extra kick. Welcome back to Blissful Baking! Today we're gonna suck a dick! Make sure you add a banana so you can yourself. Squeeze those eggs hard! I don't like, what is this? Robin Hood flour? You going with No Name next? I mean, we're in a fucking apartment filming right now. We couldn't afford a good set, but this is my life. I'm going to culinary school, Mom and Dad. Are you proud of me? Oh, you want me to be a doctor? That's a shame. And last but not least, you add the chocolate chips. Because in the end, you'll always be a chubby little Now mix your ingredients and put them in the oven. And there we have it. 6 delicious banana chocolate chip muffins straight from my mother's oven. Join us next time on Blissful Baking, where we'll be making funfetti cupcakes. Great for all those parties I was never invited to.